What's going on, guys? This is my first disc review, and today we have the Millennium Solstice. It is the first contact 1.1 run. It's in quantum plastic, and we're going to show you how it flies today. I'm going to show you on all the angles, hyzer, flat, and anhyzer. So here we have a basket all the way down and to the left a little bit. Go flat first. Look at that. Very straight, dependable. Big hyzer on the end. Great shot so far. We're going to see what the Solstice does on an anhyzer flight. We're going to see how overstable it is to flex out of this thing. Going to give it a good amount. Oh yeah, look how stable that is. That headwind ate it up. You can see the stability out of that disc. Really test how overstable this is. Look at that. It's so stable. Wow. Wow. Let's get into the feel of this Solstice. So it has a pretty board flat profile to it. Has a little micro bead that shouldn't really affect your throws at all. Feels very aggressive in the hand. It's not too stiff, not too gummy, very durable. You just have to love that quantum plastic by them. It's the 1.1 run, super reminiscent of the old MD4 by Discmania, and super aggressive hand feel, comes out of your hand fast. The plastic feel is really grippy, a little flexible, but the rim is rigid. I can put my hand in there, dig down deep, and I know it's not going to go anywhere. All right, guys, so we have a 260-foot par 3. There's a gap all the way up there. We're going to see how it flies. Test it on the hyzer. Let it fly, baby. Very predictable. Fights through. Lands softly. Has a little roll. But you can see the dependability from that disc. So this is a hole that I normally throw a distance driver on, but I'm going to try with a mid-range. Let's see how it goes. Oh my goodness. Go in the basket. No, that's short. So another reason why I love the Solstice so much is that for your power throwers, you can throw this as hard as you want to, and you know it's just going to go dead straight and have that reliable fade at the end. So for this one, I'm just going to throw as hard as I possibly can, knowing that this disc will not flip over on me. That's why I love the Solstice so much. Predictable fade. Easily 300 feet. Easily. All right, so let's talk about the flight numbers. The flight numbers of the Solstice is 5, 4, 0, 3. I would compare this to your Rock X3 from Innova, maybe a Buzz OS from Discraft. What the Solstice does better than that is it actually has a glide. This disc will glide for you, and it will also be overstable for you. So instead of having a stupid overstable mid-range, you can have a workable mid-range that you can do on every single angle. Probably wondering, Andrew, you're doing a review in the field, can you hit a gap with this disc? Absolutely. Look at that. I mean, what else more do you want out of a mid-range? Straight, fade, under the bucket. Get out of here. So you're probably wondering, is this disc going to make my bag? To answer that question, it is. This disc is workable, but yet overstable. I can throw on any line that I need to, knowing that it's going to fade out for me. It is a very overstable, but glidey, don't forget the glidey part, it's very glidey for a mid-range. It'll go dead straight for about 300 feet and have a solid, dependable fade, which is exactly the slot that I was looking for.